looks okay here. Hey,
I've already told you everything. That man doesn't have you looking for his pet android, does he? I've already... Good luck.
Don't. I'm Janice Kaplinsky, Chief Botanist. What do you need? Other than him being an egotistical, arrogant, condescending pain in the ass, nothing. He's from the Commonwealth. So long.
Hello.
Hey.
If you're listening to this recording, it is because you're believed to be trustworthy. I hope that is the case because this recording puts us both in danger. I'm escaping from the Commonwealth. I'm an android, a synthetic man, a slave. The men hunting me are ruthless and will stop at nothing to retrieve their... I need to find a doctor in the wasteland to perform facial reconstruction. I also need someone who knows a great deal about computers. I need to have my memories erased and my face altered to look like someone else.
Is there a problem? She's... Ted Strayer. You can chill with me if you want, dude. All right. Later, dude.
this here is Flak and Shrapnel's gun shop. Pretty catchy, huh? Take a look around. If you see anything you like, I'll be right over here. I don't put the good stuff... If you...
Welcome to Potomac Attire. I carried a... Straight to the point. Come back.
Yes? I'm on duty. Make it quick.
This is a quick fix. We've got...
Let me introduce myself. I am Gary. My specialty is my...
Welcome to Gary's Galley. Can I take your... Thank...
I'm Seagrave. Seagrave Holmes. A what? Look, if you just want... No way. Shh! They might be listening. The Commonwealth has tried to make it out to be a hoax, but the escaped android is real, I tell you. Listen to this holotape. See?
Remember that secret android project I told you about? Well, they got some serious pre-war tech on their hands. They nabbed a lipoplasticator and a microdermal graftalizer for the facial reconstruction. Not sure where they'll find a chopper with enough skills to use it without making him look like a freaking ghoul. Oh, and get this. Can you believe they found a circuit neuralizer? That or someone built one. Word is that they're going to completely rewire the brain of one of those
That's why
things.
I'm glad I'm in here.
If
Good
you
old
know who
Rivet
they got
City.
working on this, let me know.
too.
I want to meet the guy.
Nothing's getting through these walls.
There was- Hey there.
I've already told you everything I know. Good luck.
This place could use a few more people willing to work. Everything is falling apart. I'm the only one willing to fix it.
The sooner you find my property. Maybe he didn't exactly wander off. Maybe he fled. Escaped captivity, as it were, if he began to misinterpret his situation. It's Ah, you've managed to sniff the trail. Well, standing around all day. By God, you're as annoying as you are clever. Very well. I'll tell you what you want. The duty of the... It's one of the side effects of having such an advanced AI. Machines start to think for themselves. And so, this particular android, designation A321, is different, special. The others, like my escort Armitage there. So you see, this android must be located. Good job. Now why don't...
Yeah.
Hey there. He's from up north. He was bragging about how great it is up there. Yeah. Bye.
Hello.
You're hurt. Fortunately, this is enough. You're wounded. Let me bandage that.
Zimmer. If you're listening,
Candace, it's Ralph. Tell Dad there's no way in hell I'm spending nuclear Armageddon trapped with him in a fucking closet. You can have my number. It's 6. Now, excuse me. Got a mushroom cloud to walk into. Have a happy Holocaust.